Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by confirming the maintenance flag is set and the scheduled window. This prevents new joins. Next, gather recent logs, error codes, and a crash dump so you know what failed and why. Once done, ensure you have SSH and console access plus the backup snapshot ID ready. Then execute a controlled restart of the Arena backend service and related worker processes. A graceful stop reduces corruption risk. Make sure to watch the boot logs for immediate errors. You now dive into the complex middle steps. Inspect the process list, memory, CPU, and open ports to spot hung services. Next, verify config files and migration state and test database connectivity so you rule out schema or credential mismatches. If you find a faulty module, apply a targeted hotfix or patch while documenting each change. Once applied, restart only the affected components so you limit blast radius, and make sure to keep the rollback plan active in case behavior. You finish by bringing services online incrementally and verifying game state and session reconciliation so players resume correctly. Then run health checks, automated integration tests, and a few synthetic player joins to confirm end-to-end functionality. This proves the fix under load. Once stable, notify users and lift the maintenance flag. If something goes wrong, immediately trigger the snapshot rollback, revert to the known good image, restore the latest consistent backup, and rerun checks before announcing a second attempt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.